quick video on how to reset your clock on your 2007 Mini Cooper with the push-in circular key and that particular dashboard. So push the key in, let the ignition thing cycle round. As you can see, 10:53 in the middle. Wait for the airbag light to go out. Oh, just clear it. There we go. 10:54. 10:54. We're just going to knock the hour off. It's nice and simple. We're going to use the BC button on the end of the indicator stalk, and possibly, if we need to, the right hand trip button, but that's not specifically needed. Okay, so let's clear that. Let's get it to the dash, press the button once, get the dash up, and so with the ignition on, we're just going to press the BC button to cycle through till set info comes up. There we go. Then press and hold. Takes it into the sub menu, and then keep pressing. There we go. Set clock. Press and hold, and we're in. And then press the VC button and release. Press, 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 all the way around. And as you can see, you're going to set the hour, and then just wait a second. It switches over to the minutes, and then you can set the minutes all the way around wherever it needs to be. Okay, and then to get out of it, just leave it to come back to the set button, then scroll through to home, press and hold, or alternatively you just need to cycle the ignition, and that's your hour knocked off and how to set your clock. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.